tricky situation. What was our routine with complication? What was our dream, figment of my imagination? Modern it seems, now division, separation. Well, out of me heart and me mind and me body and soul, me can't cut no ties, this a life lost control. And what you really feel, me never really know. Me can't die if it stay, now me must let go.
So tell me why do I have to feel this way? Tell me why do I have to lay away? Tell me why do I have to wait another day? Tell me why? Have you ever been so heartbroken? The time is now to get back up again. So stand up and keep your head up high. It gets better day by day.